How to check if someone is using your Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to check if someone is using your Instagram account. So let's begin right away. So what I will be teaching you is a proven way or a tested way which is 100% accurate. So simply follow the steps needed, but before that, make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. So if not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Afterwards, just simply open your Instagram app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then, once you are here, simply click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and click on Settings. And then make sure to choose Security and then click on Login Activity under Login Security. So click on Login Activity and then wait for it to load. So as you can see, there is um, a location right here which will indicate that where you have logged in your Instagram account. So for example, that there is an unrecognized location or an unknown location, or like a location that you have never been to. For example, I am in the Philippines right now, and then there will be a, for example, USA or other country that will pop up right here. That will then indicate that another person is using my account. Or let's say, for example, that you are using only one device of your Instagram account, and then there are other lists of devices right here or locations again, then that will also indicate that other person is using your Instagram account. So what I would suggest is that you need to log out that device. So you just simply click on the three dots right here on the rightmost part. So as you can see, for example, this is the unrecognized device or location, and then click on the three dots and then click on log out right here. So once you click on log out, it will log out the um your Instagram account on that person or on that device. So that's it. That's how you can check if someone is using your Instagram account. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.